The COVID-19 pandemic has affected all of us in one way or the other. These are scary and uncertain times where even simple daily activities like watching the news or browsing social media has become an overwhelming task. Many countries and cities are in lockdown, travel is banned, many businesses and industries are slowing down. It feels like everything has come to a halt. With the pandemic spreading and evolving into new strains, all healthcare workers all around the world are fighting a constant battle to keep themselves, their loved ones, and their communities safe. One of the frontline warriors playing an essential role in sustaining the worldwide healthcare industry during these tough times. As nurses, we've been constantly challenged and are working tirelessly on improving our knowledge and quality of care to stop the spread of this virus. One of our major responsibilities at this time is to keep ourselves safe from the virus so we can perform our duty of care towards others. We all must strictly follow health guidelines, use PPE appropriately, strictly follow hand hygiene, and encourage our families and communities to maintain social distancing and follow the guidelines. As a nurse who's worked both in Nepal and overseas, I have been proud to work with many dedicated, passionate and hard-working nurses. They care for the sick and needy and perform their duties to the best, keeping aside their own personal needs and problems. I've personally worked and felt inspired by many such nurses. Nursing is a noble profession and quality of care is in a true nurse's DNA. However, this profession can be hard at times, especially at times like these when the amount of pain, sickness and grief we have to deal with firsthand on a daily basis is amplified. There can be difficult moments when we have to make heartbreaking choices and critical decisions. So, in my view, in a situation like this pandemic, during these difficult times, the best way to move forward and to come out victorious is to stick together as a team, support and uplift all health professionals, and watch each other's back, work hard, and try not giving up.
Nurse, just another word to describe a person. Strong enough to tolerate anything, and strong enough to understand anyone. As a frontliner, you can find nurses in every health sector. Every interaction begins and ends with a nurse. Not only in Nepal, we have our nurses working all over the world. Today, let us hear our heroes who have been working longer than usual hours, especially during this time of pandemic, risking their own lives in order to save others.